आइदर इन मन की बात और इन दिल की बात। मोदी जी का गारंटी है, लेकिन मोदी जी का गारंटी में वारंटी नहीं है साहब। पब्लिक ने बोला था ना, अब की बार 400 पार बोला था, खेल शुरू हो गया था सर। खेला हो शुरू हुआ ना, खेल तो बहुत सा खेल है सर। चू कित कित भी खेल है, चू कित कित में चू धरा 400 में, कित 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 कितना हुआ 240। वो गेम में भी हारा गया इधर। सर आपको, हम तो आपको ही देख रहे हैं, हम किसी को नहीं देख रहा। एक बार देखने से साइड से आपको ही देख सर। हम इसलिए आपको, आपसे ज्यादा स्मार्ट इधर कोई नहीं है, कोई जेंटलमैन नहीं है जो उनको छोड़ के आपको देखेंगे। गुड एक्टर्स भी आया, लेकिन उनको नहीं देखता है, आपको ही देखता है सर। आपको सिर्फ आप ही है, आप अंदर में वही था। हाँ, पब्लिक स्पीच, आप बैठिए पहले। पब्लिक स्पीच ही वाज टेलिंग, एंड द इलेक्शन कमीशन ऑफ इंडिया हैज एक्टेड in terms of the dictation of the Bharatiya Janata Party leader. Election Commission of India, every stage, every time, Election Commission of India has intervened, interfered with the election process. Not a single one has been spread. But when we lost the complaint against the BJP candidates and the BJP leaders, no step was taken. No step was taken. In a marginal win, 10,000 seats, 7,000 seats, 8,000 seats, 8,000 votes, they have won because of the blessings of the Election Commission of India. Otherwise, you would not have seen even the 12% from the Bharatiya Janata Party from the West Bengal. What the CISF has done, sir? CISF, they were threatening the voters, go and cast votes in favor of the Bharatiya Janata Party. Do you know in the fifth phase of election, that is on the date of my election and Sajda Ahmad's election, do you know, previous night, CISF entered into the house, molested two women. One is at Ulubedia and one is at yes, and one is at my constituency, Jangipara. It is the same to Mr. Amit Shah, the Home Minister, that his CISF have entered into the house.
माननीय एक मिनट
अरे सुनो भाई, 2 CISF officers were arrested.
माननीय सदस्य, आप वरिष्ठ सदस्य हैं
सर।
अपन को
क्यों नहीं बोलेंगे? बोलना होगा। 2 CISF officers were arrested. Now sir, just to why the 7th phase election? Why? We have objected to that. Why the 7th phase election? Election was conducted for 3 months. To accommodate whom? Of course I will speak.
एक मिनट माननीय सदस्य, एक मिनट माननीय सदस्यगण, एक मिनट नहीं, एक मिनट
You increase your tolerance. This is written here. I know law, I go by law. Sir, now, अभी इतना गुस्सा आ गया, थोड़ा बाद में देखो ना क्या होगा। अभी इतना गुस्सा। Why 7th phase election? Why for 2 months and 30 days, 15 days? Why the entire development of the country has been stopped? Why? To accommodate Mr. Narendra Modi and Mr. Amit Shah to go on all over states. We were 68 days.
ये गलत है। चुनाव आयोग निष्पक्ष है, निर्वाध है, वो अपनी तारीख खुद तय
नहीं
करता है इस
नहीं,
तरीके
we
की।
are saying, you are saying this. This is a charge against the Election Commission of India. Now, sir, speeches have been delivered. Hatred speech have been delivered. Hatred speech against the minority community, Muslims have been delivered. What steps have been taken by the Election Commission of India against them? What? What steps? Only steps against the opposition. All these steps against the opposition leaders. Sir, now I come to another chapter. One by one chapter. The Honorable Prime Minister Modi ji, आपको हम बहुत रिस्पेक्ट करते हैं। आप देश का प्राइम मिनिस्टर है, आप सीनियर है एज में। जो सीनियर है, आप ही तो कल बोला उनको इज्जत करना चाहिए। हम तो इज्जत करते हैं, इज्जत भी करते हैं, लेकिन हमको आई एम इन ए opposition, I have to criticize also. Then this is my role. That's the reason people of the Srirampur parliamentary constituency has chosen by a margin of 1,75,000 votes. बहुत ज्यादा मोदी जी का ऊपर से, बहुत ज्यादा। तो मोदी जी, why are you having so much hatred, vindictive attitude to the opposition parties? Why? In a democracy, opposition party will always criticize the ruling party. And that is rebel government. Fantastic procedure. आपने बोला था ना, अब की बार 400 पार,